Good afternoon and welcome to another photo craft tip. Today we're covering organization again and the wonderful power sort system that Creative Memories has. These organizers, the power layout boxes, the file mates, the power sort boxes, they're just amazing. They're so strong and sturdy and they seem to go forever. But like mine, yours may need a facelift. So in that regard, you can see mine, my little strap has got no gumption left in it, and I'm kind of winding it around a few times just to get some security on it. But the value of these, if you ever tilted a box of photos upside down and the havoc it can make, it's very important to have these updated. So you can't use Botox, can't go to the doctor for a facelift. I'll take you to the craft room and I'll show you a quick, easy tip on how to update your components of your power system. We'll catch you in the craft room.
All right, here we have our Creative Memories box. Again, the problem with this one is that your lid is really horrible with your board. This box I use to store my neg care sleeves. You can store 10 million different things in these boxes. Photos, your Stampin' Up video discs. I can use the compartments to store cards I've made. I can store it to hold CDs, all these other different things. But we're just working with the lid today, so I'll just bring that in one into the screen because this is our fellow we're repairing. We're going to remove these old elastics and replace it with something new. What you are going to need for this activity, so scissors, your tweezers, and then you hit your superstore, dollar store, grab some hair bands. You can go tight or long, get a variety because your different boxes will need different things, and then some little safety pins. So if we're all set and ready, I'll just move these to the side a bit and we'll get started. So on this one here, the first thing I'm going to do is say goodbye to my old holder, shedding all the little broken pieces. Now this one here, I've already gone ahead and examined some of my little elastics, and I think for this one, the smaller one is going to work best. So for this, we're going to grab our hoop and go into our, see the hole, there you go, go into the little hole. Let's hold our elastic over the hole, and then using our forceps, we're going to force it into that little space. There's a little hole going over the hole, and we're just going to grab it and work it in there. Bit of a push. I've had my boxes a long time. I remember the first box I had when they first came out, the really big boxes. I spent an afternoon working with a bunch of advisors. And we spent the whole afternoon sorting photos. I was so pleased with myself, so amazed. Then I got in my car to drive home. I took a quick corner and my box flipped over on the floor. I was so worried. I pulled over, jumped out to see what happened. Went, oh my God, hours of work gone. And nope, the lid stayed on nice and tight because of these little elastics. And everything did nothing shifted at all. Okay, so we're through here. You can see it's come through on the other side. The light there. Mm, there we are. See if that focuses. But my elastic is now poked through a little bit on that side. You can probably see the little loop. There you go. Get some sun coming in there as well. There we have it. So what I am going to do now is take my little safety pin, open up the tab on it, and I'm going to run it through the elastic from the inside to the outside. Just pierce it. There we go. So it's nice and secure in the elastic. And then we're going to clip it up. pull it nice and snug against the wall. And there we have our newly attached bright and tight hoop. Grab the box back. There we have it. Slide it over the top. Link it over the side. No problems with the top going on. And there we have nice new tight elastic on that one. Yay! Very happy. One more look for some of your other organizationals. This method will work the same for your power layout boxes. These little file mates, this one's really gone by the wayside. This one, okay, so this one's nice and tight still, really good elastic to it. This is what you want to see. Yay, good shape. This one here, it is kind of struggling. I do have some elasticity left in this one. So what I have been doing is just been going around twice. I'm going over the top. I might get a bigger elastic and replace this one as well, but just do a loop on itself and back over. And that one's holding up for now. So I don't mind this one with a double elastic. This one here is kind of totally gone. This one I will replace because I'm kind of fed up with it. But what I had done for my quick mini repair is just basically just bring it up over the top, grab it with a spin. Because it doesn't have a lot of elasticity left in it, you can't go really tight. But I just made a little loop and pulled a knot through. This will hold me over until I find a bigger hairband elastic that will fit. But that one's a little bit tighter now. It's not going to open all the way and go missing on me. I have a knot in my elastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove the worn out end. And I have a new smaller one that will last me for a while. But again, this one has no elasticity. So it is going to be a little bit of a fight to get it on and off every time. But like I said, it will hold me over until I get a new elastic band. When I do, it will be the same method as before. I'm going to go ahead, pull these out, remove it, push my new elastic through with a safety pin, and I will be all set. That easy. I know. Why didn't I think of this a couple years before earlier? I do not know. But new year, new ideas. We'll catch you in the next video.
Well, thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification button so you get notified as I post my photo tips to this site. And we'll catch you again in the craft room. Happy scrapping.